So yesterday I sent you on a scavenger hunt to find your photo collection that's scattered throughout your house, and specifically to find the movies, those 35 millimeter home movie film or the cassettes, video cassettes. But there's also movies that are already digital, the ones that you took on your phone, or you might have had a digital camcorder which recorded digitally onto an SD card or another media, and you may or may not have transferred these to your computer. And if you haven't, these are your original sources and your only source. If something happens to them, it's gone. So you remember that external hard drive that I said was part of the materials that you needed to gather for this project? That's where all of the already digital movies are going to go and become part of your larger photo collection, because they do tell an important part of your story. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. And I look forward to the next step in the collection process. Talk to you tomorrow.